Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, speed control. Come take a test drive today.